Good morning, children. Welcome back to our social class. What did we learn in the previous class? Yes, we learned about land transport. We learned about land transport. What is the third lesson, children? Let's travel. Let's travel. Today, let us discuss about water transport and air transport. Water transport and air transport. Today, we can have reading practice, children. So let us read water transport. Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. Have you seen here, children? Water transport is the cheapest and the oldest mode of transport. Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liners. Who are the passenger liners? Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liners. One more word we can use. The ships are also called as the passenger liners. Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Have you seen here, children? Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. గుడ్స్ని క్యారీ చేసే షిప్స్ని ఏమంటారు? కార్గో షిప్స్. బోట్స్ అండ్ స్టీమర్స్ ferry us across lakes and rivers. So, boats and steamers ferry us across lakes and rivers. Have you seen here, children? So, water transport is the cheapest and oldest mode of transport. Ships that take people across seas and oceans are called passenger liners. Ships that carry goods are called cargo ships. Boats and steamers ferry us across lakes and rivers. Have you seen this picture, children? A submarine is a type of ship that can travel underwater. It is mostly used by the navy. So this is called a submarine, and this is one kind of a ship that can travel. It can travel underwater. It is used mostly by the navy. Okay, children. Next one is air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. It is the fastest mode of transport. Air travel started nearly 100 years ago. Have you seen here, children? Did you read this one? Air travel started nearly 100 years ago. People use airplanes to go from one city or to country to another. So these airplanes will help us to go from one country to another country. Airplanes are also used to send letters and goods. And these airplanes also, it helps us to send letters and goods. It carry letters and goods also. Helicopters can carry a few people. Helicopters can carry a few people. They are often used to take food and medicines to people in times of need. Whenever we need medicines, food and all. So helicopters are the air transports that we get from air transport, from helicopters. Modern modes of transport have made our life comfortable. Did you read this line, children? Modern modes of transport have made our life comfortable. In olden days, the people used to go by walk from one place to another. But people started to go different kinds of vehicles. If they wanted to go A little far, the people are going by train, car, or aeroplane. And now, this modern modes of transport had made our life comfortable. However, most of them run on petrol and diesel. Have you seen here, children? So, most of the vehicles, bus, car, auto, or a train, all these different kinds of vehicles run on petrol and diesel. Petrol and diesel make the air dirty and cause air pollution. Petrol and diesel make the air dirty and cause air pollution. Okay, children, today we learned different kinds of transports: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Once more, read the lesson, children, and understand the lesson. Once again, please read at home. With this, I conclude third lesson. Let's travel. Okay, children, once more read at home and stay home, stay safe, and be happy with your parents. Do whatever we are giving in online classes. Please learn every day something new. So, if you are learning, it will be easy for you, children, for the quarterly exams. So, don't neglect the time, don't neglect studies. In the same way, play for some time, and study also is more important. Don't waste time, learn whatever we give in the online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.